there, this is Mrs. Devlin. I wanted to give you some instructions for your Map Skills 101 activity. So this is an activity that we're going to complete over 2 live class days, and you might need a little bit of extra time on either Monday or Friday to make sure you're finishing what you need to. Let's take a look at it together. So this is an activity where you move at your own pace. I will give suggestions. However, it's really important that you explore and kind of play with this however you would like. But you do need to complete each box here. Our first box is the Engage box. I'm asking you to complete a little game that's called Smarty Pins that places you at different spots around the world. It's really, really nifty. So if we take a look at it here, it's kind of a trivia related game, so it's okay if you don't know the answers. This intro activity is just for fun, okay? It's not one where you have to be able to tell me everything. So you can hit select a category and then pick one that interests you. I'll do history because it's me. And you kind of get to see the world and guess where things are. If you want to move, you can use the mouse. And then when you're ready, you're going to drop the pin, bam, down on where you want it to be. Oh, I got it right. It'll continue. You'll have up to 1,000 miles to lose for this game, okay? Then you can hit next question. And the biggest thing I want you to see for this is just how big the world is. So it's okay if you miss things. Totally fine. This is just for fun. So after you complete that, you're going to go ahead and take a look at a form where I ask you how it went. All you have to do on that is be honest. And then, bam, you finish the Engage box. Moving onwards, you'll see the Explore box. And on that, I have different types of readings and activities for you to learn a little bit more about maps. So you'll review what a map is. That is a short reading. You'll check out different types of maps, learn about location, and watch a video on the 5 themes of geography. That video uses the video game Fortnite to explain it, so it's kind of cool. And then you have the Explain section, where I want you to check out the 5 themes of geography in this Nearpod. We'll go over it in class too, just so you know. And then that's kind of where I want you to end on day 1. Don't go any further than the Willy Wonka box. For day 2, I'm going to ask you to draw a map based off of your newfound knowledge. And it must include a title, a compass, a key, a scale, and the absolute and relative location of your map. And then I have an upload space for it when you finish. Again, don't feel like you have to do that on day 1. I would much rather you just complete the first 3 boxes to kind of get your feet wet when it comes to maps. Because day 2, you'll be drawing your map, submitting it, and taking a look at your classmates' maps, okay? Then I have an optional section at the end where you can examine some vintage photos of different areas in Pennsylvania. Remember, the word optional means you don't have to do it. So feel free to not do it, okay? So as long as you've submitted the map that you've drawn, you've done everything on the activity. So that's just a brief little introduction on this. I know it's a little different than things that you've done, but treat each box like a task and make sure you complete all of the boxes. If you need any help with it, make sure you let me know as well, okay? Good luck, have fun, and enjoy.